Expressing yourself is fine, but when we are in a professional setting, it's very important that we choose the right words and form the right sentences. So let's get to know few English sentences that you should always avoid speaking.
Instead of saying, I am too busy, try saying, can we discuss this later when I can give you my full attention? You don't understand can be replaced by, let me explain it to you in a different way. Avoid saying, you are wrong. Instead, try saying, I see it differently. Can we explore our perspectives? Never ever say, that's a dumb idea. Instead, try saying that, I'm not sure I agree, but let's discuss its pros and cons.
Never say it's always your fault. Instead, try saying, let's figure out what happened and how we can fix it. Instead of saying, you never listen to me, we can say, I think we are not on the same page. Can we try to communicate a little better? I don't care. Instead of saying this, try saying, I don't understand your point of view. Just deal with it. Instead of this, try saying, let's find a way to handle this together.